Loudspeaker SBI Clerk 2025 Detailed Application Process. Step 1. Visit official website. Go to https://sbi.co.in/web/careers. Click on Current Openings in the Join SBI section. Step 2. Read the notification. Look for Recruitment of Junior Associates, Customer Support and Sales, 2025. Download and read the PDF notification carefully, check eligibility, age limit, and important dates. Step 3. Registration. Click Apply Online, right pointing arrow, click here for new registration. Fill in full name, as per 10th, 12th certificates, mobile number, active, email ID, active. You'll get a registration number and password. Write them down safely. Step 4. Fill application form. Log in using registration number and password. Fill details in 5 main sections: basic information, name, date of birth, gender, etc. Category and reservation details, educational qualifications, work experience, if any, job location preference, state, UT and local language. Step 5. Upload scanned documents. Photograph. Format: JPG, JPEG. Size: 20 to 50 kilobytes. Dimensions: 200 x 230 pixels. Light, white background, clear face. Signature. Format: JPG, JPEG. Size: 10 to 20 kilobytes. Dimensions: 140 x 60 pixels. Black pen on white paper, no capital letters. Left thumb impression, if asked. Size: 10 to 20 kilobytes, JPG, JPEG format. Handwritten declaration, if asked. Text given in notification. Size: 50 to 100 kilobytes. Step 6. Preview application. Check spelling of your name, father's name, DOB, and category. Verify uploaded photo and signature are visible. Step 7. Pay application fee. General, OBC, EWS. 750 rupees SC, ST, PWD. No fee. Payment modes: debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI. Step 8. Submit and save. After payment, click Final Submit. Download and print the application form. Payment receipt. Loudspeaker SBI Clerk 2025 Recruitment Notification out. State Bank of India invites applications for junior associates, customer support and sales. This is a golden opportunity for banking job aspirants. Small diamond post name: Junior Associates, Customer Support and Sales. Small diamond total vacancies: 6,589. 5,180 regular plus 1,409 backlog. Small diamond apply online. The 8th of June 2025 to the 26th of August 2025. Small diamond qualification: graduation in any discipline from a recognized university. Small diamond age limit: 20 to 28 years. Relaxation as per government rules. Small diamond selection process: preliminary exam right pointing arrow, main exam right pointing arrow, language proficiency test. Small diamond salary: 26,000 rupees to 29,000 rupees approximately per month. Pushpin official SBI careers link. Apply here. https://sbi.co.in/web/careers. Loudspeaker apply early to avoid last-minute server issues. Watch the video for complete details and application steps. Post name: Junior Associates, Customer Support and Sales. Total vacancies: 6,589. Regular: 5,180. Backlog: 1,409. Apply online. The 8th of June 2025 to the 26th of August 2025. Mode of application: online only. 2. Eligibility criteria: educational qualification, graduation in any discipline from a recognized university. Age limit: minimum 20 years, maximum 28 years. Go to https://sbi.co.in/web/careers. Click Current Openings under the Join SBI section. Keycap 2. Open the notification. Find Recruitment of Junior Associates, Customer Support and Sales, 2025. Read the official notification carefully. Keycap 3 New Registration. Click Apply Online, right pointing arrow, click here for new registration. Fill in name, mobile number, email ID, right pointing arrow, get registration number and password, note these down. Keycap 4 Login and fill form. Log in with your registration number and password. Fill personal details, address, educational qualifications, and job preference. Keycap 5 Upload documents. Photo, JPG, JPEG, 20 to 50 kilobytes, 200 x 230 px, light background. Signature, JPG, JPEG, 10 to 20 kilobytes, 140 x 60 px, black ink on white paper. Follow exact size and format to avoid rejection. Keycap 6 Preview and edit. Review all entered details carefully. Make corrections if needed. Once submitted, changes cannot be made. Keycap 7 Pay application fee 750 rupees for general, OBC, EWS candidates. No fee for SC, ST, PWD candidates. Payment via debit, credit card, net banking, UPI. Keycap 8 Submit and save. After successful payment, submit the form. Download and print the application form and payment receipt for future reference.